Welcome to the installation of Khushbu vertical honing machine. Henceforth, we will follow the procedure of how to install the machine. This is the pressure setting for stroking mechanism of the honing machine. Clockwise, it will increase the pressure. Now it is increasing. Anti-clockwise, it will decrease the pressure. This is the expansion module of the honing machine. Here is the pressure setting for mandrel expansion. Again, clockwise, the pressure will increase on mandrel push rod, and anti-clockwise, it will reduce the pressure. This is to control the rate of metal removal. Here is the hydraulic oil pouring place. This is the flow control for setting the stroking speed of the honing head. This is for up speed and the second is for down speed. On this side of the machine, it is a hydraulic motor controlling mechanism. This will increase the speed or decrease the speed of the hydraulic motor, which is used to run the spindle, and this is the pressure control for the hydraulic motor. If the diameter is more, the pressure is more. Diameter is less, pressure is less. This is the electric panel for the machine. It comprises of the PLC, SMPS, the relay modules and contactor relays. MCBs are given for all the operations. The first one is for the main MCB, the second is spindle, third is hydraulic, fourth is coolant, then lube oil, and then MCB for SMPS. This is the coolant oil arrangement, while this is the coolant pump. This is the coolant filter, which is in two stages. And I will show how to replace the coolant filter and clean it and again fit it. This ball will be removed to clean the filter, and we have to feed it again after cleaning. This is the main control panel for the machine, where the first button is cycle start, the second is cycle stop. This is to select manual or auto operation. This is manual expansion retraction. The next is coolant on off manually. Then next is machine on off. By selecting the manual mode, we can move the machine by PLC. This is for spindle rotation. F1 is for spindle rotation. F2 is for stroke down. F3 is for stroke up. This is used to set the this is used to set the stroke length. Now select the auto mode. We will set the number of strokes now. First, to enter the enter switch, and by selecting these four switches, we can set desired number of strokes, which is now being displayed. This is to rotate the spindle, and now we will see how the fixture is being aligned. By holding the dial in the spindle and pressing the spindle run button, we have to align the fixture. Okay. This is how to feed the spindle push rod in the expansion cylinder. It has got a left hand threading, so to be rotated in the reverse direction to fit it. You can see the way we are fitting it. Now we have to fit the link push rod. You can see how it was fitted. And now we will fit the link. There are grub screws to lock the link, which you have to tighten. ada grub screw kuda now we will fit the mandrel the same way as we fitted earlier the push rod. Now in manual mode we have to press the retract button slowly and get the entry into the link and rotate and clamp. Okay, and fix the Allen bolt to arrest the anti-rotation. Okay. Now we'll set the stroke length. The topmost proxy is for home. This is for stroke up position. Now he is taking the stroke up proxy upwards to set the upward position of the stroke length, uppermost position of the stroke length. And the similar way we have to set the next proxy to decide the bottommost position of the stroke length. While the last proxy is for emergency stop. Now in manual mode, we'll insert the mandrel in the job and check the stroke length and spindle rotation. After setting the desired stroke length, we'll go in auto mode and insert the mandrel in inching position like this. Guide the mandrel to see that it enters the job correctly. Start. The mandrel will stop at stroke up proxy. We have to wait here for a few seconds and then press the cycle start button when the PLC is ready for cycle start. Now the operation will start with stone expansion, mandrel rotation and reciprocation. The operation will stop once the number of strokes will be completed. To end the cycle, we have to press the cycle stop switch to for the head to reach the home position. Okay. This is how the operation will look from the side. The top is the home position. This is the stroke up proxy. Now the cycle will start and the head will reciprocate between stroke up proxy and stroke down proxy. The moment number of strokes are finished, it will stop. Okay. To view a particular pressure, we have to select the respective number by rotating the knob and press it so that the pressure will be displayed. Now we will see the procedure of pasting the honing stone on the mandrel stone base. We have to apply a suitable Fevikwik or fastening solution on the stone base like this and place the honing stone properly over that so that it will be stuck properly. Now this is the procedure to clean the stone base once the stones are worn off. You have to clean it correctly like this. Again place the glue and put the honing stone properly. We have to wait for some time for the stone to be correctly pasted on the stone base. To clean the sides of the stone base so that the sliding will be proper. And again insert the stone base as shown now. We have to insert all the stone bases and place the O-rings as being shown. Now we are ready for the honing. Okay, this is the way the stone expands. We can see the mechanism.